for the heights. Aim at the highest and you shall reach the highest. Champions are created when potentials are converted into performance. Now it's time we give due recognition to the aptitude and acumen of our brimming students, future leaders of this society. So I cordially invite our dear Madam, Dean and Senior Principal, Dr. Leela Thomas, for honoring our toppers.
My beloved students, parents, and my dear teachers. During these pandemic times, I am not able to see you, but I see you with my inner self because you are very close to my heart. On this day, as I would celebrate Campaign Day and as I would give the trophies to my students, to the winners, to the toppers of the school, my hearty congratulations to all of you, to all my students for your great effort and for your good performance, wonderful performance indeed. I thank the parents for your cooperation which has led to the success of the students. Definitely, I cannot forget the committed services of my teachers and their hard work, their closeness with my students, their nearness with them, their dedication towards them. My congratulations and thanks to my teachers. On this day, I will give you a message. Be the best, do your best, and give your best. God bless you. Good luck.
The awards to the toppers for the year 2019-20. The award in memory of late Mr. Epen Verghese for the student who secured the highest percentage marks in Campion School in the All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination held by CBSE in the year 2019-20 goes to Master Kiran Paulson from Science Stream and Kumari Meenakshi Gopakumar from the Commerce Stream. For All India Secondary School Examination, the topper award goes to Kumari Amana Fatima. The award in memory of Father K.V. George, SDB, given to the toppers in English goes to Kiran Paulson, Asisha C. Rajan and Meenakshi Gopakumar. Now we have the awards in memory of late Mrs. Kochutresia given to the toppers in different subjects. Jacob C. Joseph, topper in Physics and Biology. Kevin Paulson, topper in Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. Kiran Paulson, topper in Physics and Mathematics. Kirtana D. Nair, topper in Physics and Mathematics. Shreya R. Pai, topper in Physics. Amlia Caroline Sunny, topper in Physics. Adarsh Joseph MB, topper in Mathematics. We have Meenakshi Gopakumar, who is the topper in Economics, Accountancy, Business Studies and Informatics Practices. Siddharth S. Nair, topper in Computer Science. Students who secured Centum. We have Aditya Rajesh Achari, who secured 100 marks in Hindi. Farzeen Firoz AE secured 100 in Mathematics. In Social Science, we have 3 students who secured 100. Sarvesh Srinivas, M.M. Anusha and Jessica Elizabeth. Students who secured A1 in all subjects. Amana Fatima, Aditya Rajesh Achari, Anagha T.R., Jessica Elizabeth, B.R. Kashinath, Pooja Sharath, Arlette Rufus, Sanuja Krishna S., Meenakshi Gopakumar, Mary Evelyn John Bosco, Kiran Paulson. Congratulations to all the toppers. Thank you.
We are really proud and enthusiastic to acclaim that we are ready with all new hopes and hues to bring out our e-newsletter Bragg, which will surely unfold the most unforgettable and precious moments of the school. We request our principal, Mrs. Anurita Joseph, to release the e-newsletter Bragg.
Education is not the learning of facts. It is the training of the mind to think. Respected Dr. K.V. Thomas, Director Campaign Institutions, Madam Dean and Senior Principal Dr. Lilama Thomas, other dignitaries, beloved parents, teaching and non-teaching fraternity, and my most loving students. I feel honored and privileged to be the part of Campaign School, which functions under the aegis of a well-established management, Campaign Educational Society, which has carved a niche in the field of education not only in Kochi but across the globe. The academic excellence is our main trust area, but we devote ourselves to live up to facing the challenges of today by each student who is studying in our institution. I am confident that our students will grow stronger day by day and add a leaf in the grandeur of the institution. Our strengthening power is our parents who have trusted in us and shows all faith in us. I take this opportunity to thank our parents for your trust in us. Equally, I appreciate and congratulate all staff members for their untiring effort. Every year we bring forth the school newsletter, the brag, as a symbol of pride and representation of all activities and achievements of our institution. The benefits of a newsletter is immense. It gives an opportunity and encouragement for the students who excel and achieve in different arenas. Equally, the student and teacher educators get a chance to develop their creative thinking and becomes a part of experiential learning. With immense pleasure, I take this opportunity to release the latest edition of the e-newsletter Brag. Wishing you all greetings of the Campaign Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. We strive to create a knowledge-based society with clarity of thoughts and charity in heart, committed to serve the society with integrity. So now I call upon Kumari Krisarami to propose the vote of thanks.
A pleasant morning to all. Director Sir, Madam, Dean and Senior Principal, parents, teachers and all my dear fellow champions. While thanking the Almighty for the countless blessings, I am here to spell out the words of thanks to all those who made this morning a sweet memory to carry home. John F. Kennedy said, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. I would like to thank our Director Sir, Dr. K.B. Thomas, for his support and encouragement in all our endeavors. Thank you, sir. I extend my thanks to our dear Madam, Dean and Senior Principal, Dr. Lilama Thomas, for her systematic planning and timely execution of plans, and for her support and encouragement in all our endeavors. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my sincere thanks to our principal, Mrs. Annie Rita Joseph, for her periodic monitoring and support. Thank you, miss. Our sincere gratitude to all our parents for their appreciation and support. Thank you, dear parents. With deep sense of appreciation, we recall the efforts of our dear loving teachers. We thank you wholeheartedly for your stewardship. Thank you, dear teachers. Finally, we thank the blooming buds of Campaign School. Thank you, friends. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude, and gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. Yes, once again, we thank each and everyone present here. Thank you all.
Thank you, Krisa. With this, we are coming to the end of the inaugural ceremony of our 31st annual day, marking it open for students to ignite their passions and talents. So let's kickstart this saga of events. This is me, Jessica.
And me, Ephraim, signing off.